What's going on, guys? My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt, and welcome to Culture Shock.
We are in Austin, Texas.
We're here for the big Chuys event. They're having their big parade.
What's it called?
Now it's time for everyone's favorite game show. Culture Shock tries to say something in unison.
Chuys children to giving children. Chuys children to children giving to giving children's parade.
Hey!
Chuys children giving to children's parade. Oh, we did it!
Thank you, Chuys, because we are in a hotel in Austin, Texas. And we got a care package.
We got care package.
Several. We got different rooms.
Yeah, we got different
goodness,
rooms.
because I could not deal with this beard and this snore.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I don't snore. So the purpose of this is that they're giving toys to children who deserve toys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Simple as that.
Blue Santa.
Blue Santa
Big
is going to be
parade.
there.
We might hop on a float. I don't know.
They're going to have floats. They're going to have Cokes. What are those jumbo things called?
Macy's Parade.
No.
Huh?
Blimps. Balloons?
Blimps?
Balloons.
Blimps are definitely not.
Balloons. Thank you to Chuys for these amazing gifts that they gave us. We got these awesome hats.
Whoa!
We also got some really cool other things. We really appreciate it, and we can't thank you guys enough for all that you've done for us so far, and we cannot wait for this amazing parade tomorrow. Boo-boo! Whoa!
Got a lot of stuff coming. Oh,
Yeah.
there's actually the Chuys Parade.
That's the Chuys right there, the boat. We'll get more of that in a
We got
second.
it. We're on a golf cart right now, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're actually heading to get some shots up this hill. I think they're gonna get some balloons loaded up. So we're gonna go check that out right now.
What does Chuys Parade mean to you? Oh, hey.
Well, it's a chance to get out and do something for the community, support the children giving to children.
Yeah? It's a really cool setup you guys got going on.
We actually do local charity events. We've raised money for Brown Santa, Austin Pets Alive, Make-A-Wish Foundation. We actually send one of our pirates over the edge for Make-A-Wish Foundation a couple of times, where he rappelled down a building in pirate garb.
Nice.
We've been in the whole tradition since we were like young, maybe 5 years old.
Okay.
My dad's actually the head for the group. So I think we've been doing this since probably like 8. It's just a way for to remind the community of our traditions as a Mexicans, Mexican culture, Mexicans Americans. Because we got kids that were born here. They see the costumes, the feathers. They want to be part of it. Like we take them in, show them what it means to like dress like this, what the steps are, everything that has to do with the tradition.
So I got Princess Peach. I got Aurora right here, and I got Fiona. I've got Fiona and Aurora, Disney princesses in the back. How long have you guys been doing this?
This is actually my very first year doing this for Chuy, so I'm super excited. I got out of the swamp.
Love that. So this must be really important to you.
This is my second year, but I've been with Chuys for about 8 years. We actually were both corporate trainers.
Wow. Oh my gosh. So what does it mean to the community and like just you in general, like being a part of this festival?
Well, I love that it's like kids giving to kids, you know?
Yeah.
Because, you know, we start them out young, like raise them right. That's how, you know, it just means a little bit more that it's the children giving back to other children.
For sure.
These guys all right behind me, and this is absolutely amazing. I'm a huge Star Wars fan, and wow, I can't thank enough of these guys to join us. What does Chuys mean to you guys?
Great Mexican food.
What does this mean to you guys to be part of this parade?
With the Mandalorian being out,
I mean, we really have to come out in force. We've got a few of us here right now. There's going to be more of us here. And we're just out to share the love of Star Wars and the Mandalorian.
They just did the handoffs with all the toys. The kids came out and flooded the streets and handed the toys all into these trucks right here. There's about like 15, maybe 20 trucks that they loaded into. I might be exaggerating, but there's a lot of them. Santa stood by and watched as all the kids presented these presents. This is an awesome time. We're walking to the end of this parade where they're gonna dump off all of the toys into these semi-trucks and ship them out to give them out to other kids. This is super cool, having a good time. And just like that, guys, Congress Street is right back to normal. You can see Capitol Hill right there. This is absolutely insane. I mean, this place was just flooded with tons of families, and the whole parade was happening, and this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy to see how much they shut down for that short period of time. Now here we are.
Gracias, Chuys! Thanks, Chuys!
Thank you, Chuys!
Thanks, Chuy!
Thanks, Chuys, and thank you again for tuning in. My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt,
and you've been Culture Shocked. Hope you enjoyed this episode. It is the last thing that we're going to be dropping in 2019.
Wow, already going to be 2020.
It's going to be 2020.
2020.
Tell them what's happening in 2020.
2020 looks bright and absolutely amazing for us. We have some really cool concepts coming up. We're completely changing the idea of Culture Shock because we're actually going to be culture shocking you guys.
We've been culture shocking you guys.
We've been culture shocking you guys.
But we're going to take it up
we're gonna
another
culture
level.
Shock the
We're going to be taking Culture Shock to another level. Woo! So, be ready. 2020. Let's go.